Lakewood P223 box fan from 1987. And let's turn this puppy on high. And low. This one has a Macmillan motor. Now let's turn it on so you can hear the motor sound. It was originally priced unique for $10, but that day was only 50% off, so I figured why not? It was only $5 after all. And although I'm not really much into these types of fans because of the roundish frames, I'm more into the square types. I figured $5 wasn't that bad of a deal. I got that along with a Cool Breeze box fan, which I'll show you next after this video. Now you'll find something a little interesting. The original patent was filed back between 1985 or 1986, just in time for the 1986 summer season, and around 2002-2003 the original patent for this blade had expired, allowing a Chinese company to manufacture fans with this type of blade set, and most commonly sold as a Haier. I believe it was BF20, something like that. I'm not sure what the model number is, but there are videos of the Haier box fan with the same exact blade set, and it does have a Raider motor that has oil ports. And as you can see, this one is a late P223, as later versions, somewhere around mid 1987, they dropped the P letter and it was simply marketed as a 223. Even though this one has a sticker stating that it's a P223, despite some people saying that it's a 223 because it only has 6 screws instead of 8. But this is a P223. Either way, after the first revision, which made it a 223, there was a new update that would change the frame color to gray and the blades to white. And a final revision featured a smaller shaft. And this was shortly after they changed the model number from 223 to 200i. And I believe they stopped manufacturing these as far as 1995. Now we go back to around 2004. And we have these Haier box fans, and although I do not know who actually manufactured these, but you can see how the blade resemblance is literally a carbon copy. So some people used to speculate why those box fans were, had that Lakewood blades and how the manufacturer was able to get away with it without getting sued by Lakewood. So that's pretty much your answer, because the patent expired around 2002-2003. Because before 1995, most patents, if it was filed in the US, Domestically, it would expire 17 years after the date it was issued, or if it was filed internationally, 20 years after it was filed. And so that explains the whole liquid blade sit on a generic box fan theory. And as always, thank you for watching.